Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zatar Gardens. We're gonna be picking some more kumquats. We're gonna make marmalade. This was my son's favorite fruit tree. I planted this fruit tree when he was born. So this is 12 years old, or a little bit, yeah, around 12 years old in the ground. I don't like usually strapping like this, but I did it because there was so much fruit. Oh, this is all orange. There was at least 400 fruits on this tree, 400 kumquats. So we're gonna be making marmalade. My grandmother always said if you want good marmalade, mix some or if not all of it with kumquats and a little bit of oranges.
I can't see with these leaves in my way.
Okay, you can't see with the leaves in the way? Don't hurt the tree. It's right there. There you go.
I need a squat.
You need a squat? Here, let's put it right here. Let's put it right here with your beautiful gardening shoes that you didn't want to wear your Crocs.
Cause I love these shoes.
She loves those shoes. So with this, so I'll probably do is if I can't train this back up, that limb that's falling like this, because there's tons of fruit, I'm probably gonna cut it here or here and make this the new center lead.
Get these away, it's tickling me on the feet.
If you wore your Crocs, your feet wouldn't get tickled so much.
Well, I don't wanna,
She's saying the grass is tickling your feet.
and
Oh, mercy.
I don't have that much time.
You don't have that much time?
Yeah,
I'm sorry, you know, being your age.
These were, I wanted to wear the ones in front of the door. These were only the last ones in front of the door.
Okay. All right then. Well, I may make a video of us making marmalade if I can get to that point. Oh, she's the boss. I swear to God in the garden, she's the boss. Oh, come on, Lulu. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.